Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Yeah, Doge has pushed higher, and we want to talk about this microstructure here. I already updated for our gold members earlier today what this likely is and my latest perspective on it. So now we want to summarize this in a video as well. If you're interested in additional updates also for Doge, I think I've covered it 2 or 3 times today actually in our gold membership, then check it out. You'll find the link to it in the description. It also includes access to this live chart, our Dogecoin long-term live chart, as well as, well, all the other coins, plus a weekly member live stream and lots of educational content as well. Now, what are we dealing with here? This is still a bullish structure. So as I said to you before, as long as the support area here is holding, the overall uptrend is intact. The next pullback should be a 4th wave. Maybe it's unfolding. I know it doesn't look like a pullback with that high B wave, but high B waves are not uncommon in crypto. So I want to explain to you what this here is and why we could consider this rally still a B wave. But it doesn't really make a practical difference so much. I don't consider all 5 waves as complete yet. So for really confirmation that we're going higher and possibly even to all-time highs in the coming months, we need a 5-wave move up first. We need circle 1 complete, and we want to talk about that. So overall, the idea is that a larger degree swing low formed in August. Maybe. Let's take a quick look at the Doge long-term chart. As I said, as a member, you have access to these charts on Discord, and you can sort of take your own time and check them out. But the idea is a B wave bottomed here. So there was a setup already. There was a trading area. The price rallied. I see this as a B wave in a larger degree 3rd wave. This has to do with the diagonal pattern we're dealing with. And I can't really call that 5 waves yet. Not clearly though, not clearly. I would prefer one more high in wave 5 of 1. Then we can talk about this wave 2 pullback and it would extend higher from there. That would be the ideal outlook. And it could take us to all-time highs, right? That would be ideal. Bear in mind, this structure is going to be fragile. We're dealing with a diagonal pattern. And there will be a support area that we talk about now on the smaller time frame. If that breaks, then we might assume that we're already in the wave 2. Okay, but as I said, this is only a 3-wave move up so far. It's a difficult structure to navigate, but that's what smaller time frame structures usually are. The more reliable structures can be found on this time frame, right? And that's where we had the support area. But they take, it takes more patience to let them play out, really. Okay, so looking at the shorter time frame then, oops, didn't want to draw that. Ideas from this swing low that are labeled as a B wave on the larger time frame. We have a wave 1, a wave 2. We have a wave 3. Now, it is possible this 3rd wave topped on the 30th of October. Then we started the wave 4. But I have to tell you, this is now a massive overshooting B wave. I gave you yesterday an extended resistance area all the way up to 19.69 cents and highlighted if we get a break above this level, it's typically an extension in the 3rd wave. The thing is that it's not a sustained break yet, okay? And I could easily call it the 3rd wave extension. What would it do? It would make me adjust the support area here for this 4th wave higher. I want to leave it where it is now. It's support, it's not a target. So that means as long as we're holding above it, we can focus on further upside. It just shows us the risk levels. But why can I still call that a B wave? Because it's a 3-wave move up. Looking at the 1 hour chart, you see that a bit better. It looks like an ABC structure to the upside in that B wave. And I've added, however, to the message for our members earlier today that, one more high and I will label it as an extension of the 3rd wave. Then it would be a possible 5-wave move, as a diagonal, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it's an extension in the 3rd. Until then, I would, any break below the support, 17.68 cents, would be considered a top in the B wave, and we're coming down in wave C. Then this support area is still relevant. I will activate the 23.6 fib level though, because if the B wave is so high, the C wave might never end below the A wave low. So that's the current thesis. Again, it doesn't make a great difference in practice, even if we get one more upside extension, which, as I said, is possible as long as we're holding the upper support area, then I would still need to see another 4-5 pattern. Okay, so this is still unchanged overall bullish structure, and it's been very strong. Obviously, there's been the election volatility and so on. Nothing wrong with that. Tomorrow we've got the Fed interest rate decision. Wow, the week is passing really fast. So yeah, time is running anyway, but tomorrow more volatility is expected. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.